What if a festive day turned into a nightmare within seconds? The Boston Marathon bombing of 2013 was such a day. A day which started as a celebration of athleticism and endurance, abruptly transformed into a scene of horror and dismay. 2 pressure cooker bombs detonated near the marathon's finish line, sending shockwaves through the heart of Boston and indeed the entire nation. The raw energy of the marathon was replaced by the raw terror of an unthinkable event. The explosion claimed 3 lives and left several hundred injured, forever changing the lives of those directly affected and leaving an indelible mark on the city's psyche. As smoke filled the air and chaos ensued, the immediate instinct of many was fear, confusion, and despair. But as the dust settled, another narrative began to unfold. In the face of unimaginable terror, stories of heroism, resilience, and unity began to surface, painting a picture of a city determined to stand strong and united. In the face of chaos, heroes emerge. The immediate response to the Boston Marathon bombing was nothing short of extraordinary. First responders, everyday heroes who were thrust into an unimaginable scenario, didn't hesitate. Emergency medical teams, police, bystanders. They all rushed in when others were rushing out, their courage only rivaled by their compassion. Meanwhile, medical professionals across Boston were gearing up for the influx of injured individuals. The collaborative response from hospitals and healthcare organizations was rapid and efficient, a testament to their dedication and preparedness. Simultaneously, law enforcement agencies sprung into action. Local police, the FBI, and federal authorities worked together to secure the crime scene and kickstart the investigation, their swift and coordinated efforts crucial in the ensuing pursuit of justice. In the blink of an eye, Boston was a city under siege. Yet its people were ready to fight back. Their response? Immediate, heroic, and unwavering in the face of adversity. The pursuit of justice was relentless. In the aftermath of the bombing, law enforcement swung into action. The identification of the Tsarnaev brothers as suspects was a testament to the tireless efforts of investigators. Working through countless hours of surveillance footage and tips from the public, the faces of Tamerlan and Dzhokhar Tsarnaev emerged from the shadows. This discovery set into motion an intense manhunt that gripped the city and the nation. Law enforcement agencies collaborated, pooling their resources and expertise. The chase ended with Tamerlan's demise and Dzhokhar's capture, but the pursuit of justice was far from over. The legal proceedings that followed were marked by a painstaking examination of evidence and a commitment to due process. The trial culminated in Dzhokhar's conviction, a bittersweet moment for a city still nursing its wounds. Justice, though not immediate, was undeterred and unwavering. In times of adversity, unity is our greatest strength. Boston proved this in the wake of the bombing. The city's spirit was embodied in the mantra, "Boston Strong." This battle cry echoed through the streets, uniting a city in the face of tragedy and symbolizing their resilience and determination. Community support was overwhelming. The people of Boston rallied together, providing emotional, financial, and practical support to the victims and their families. In the memory of the fallen and in honor of the survivors, the city held memorials, vigils, and tributes, each one a testament to the city's solidarity and compassion. Charitable initiatives sprung up across the city and the nation. Fundraisers, charity runs, and donation drives demonstrated the community's commitment to healing and rebuilding. The adversity they faced did not defeat them. Instead, it brought them together, forged a bond of unity that remains unbroken. In the face of adversity, Boston didn't just survive, it thrived. Tragedy often leaves behind a legacy. The Boston Marathon bombing was no exception. It marked a significant shift in public events and security measures. The echo of the blasts reverberated around the globe, prompting a sweeping overhaul of security protocols, not only for major events, but also in everyday public spaces and transportation hubs. The city of Boston itself became a beacon of resilience and preparedness. The lessons learned from the tragedy have since been adopted by other communities, fortifying their defenses against potential threats. Yet it's not all about defense. The legacy of the bombing is also one of compassion and ongoing support. Foundations have been established in honor of the victims, ensuring that they and their families receive the necessary medical care, mental health services, and financial aid. The Boston Marathon bombing was a dark chapter in history, yet it opened a new narrative of resilience, unity, and strength.